Hi, I'm Dr. Siegel with Natural Transplants. One of the questions that I always get asked during a consult is, what does a scar look like? Is it going to be super big? Is it large? Is it going to be noticeable? I have Mychael here, who is here for his second procedure, picking up where we left off. We did the frontal 2/3, and this time we're going to go ahead and do the back third. But one of the things I wanted to be able to show was, what does his scar look like? And we say it's literally the tip of a pencil. And that's what it looks like all the way around. And we purposely went ahead and focused on him getting a higher scar line, so that knowing that he would need 2 procedures, this is what his scar looks like. Not even his hairstylist can actually go ahead. And when you brush your hair, it's completely invisible.
Yeah.
The hair covers it perfectly.
Yeah.
So if you're ever concerned about getting a hair transplant, you're concerned about an FUE versus an FUT, this is an FUT. This is what we specialize here at Natural Transplants, making sure that your scar is not noticeable.
And it's going to yield the most hair out of all of them. Trust me, it's worth it.
And it's going to get you the most hair. Exactly, Mychael. Thank you.
Call us now, 844-327-4247, and ask about our Hue and Hue Plus procedures, which move more hair than ever before. Hope to hear from you soon.